Okay. What arm is it?
That's this arm. My right arm.
So now that arm goes numb on you?
I do nails.
Okay.
And I do a lot of other things, like we're renovating a house right now and stuff. But since I've been doing the house, it's acted up. It's not, like a year ago I had the same problem.
Okay. Dang. So you kind of...
It'll come and go throughout the day depending. So like I use an e-file when I pick it up, and the vibrations of that will set it off too.
Really?
It'll go numb.
Oh my gosh, okay.
Also my neck and my shoulders. But I was rear-ended in 2017 and had whiplash. And now I get little pops on my neck, like
You
turning.
never had that before?
No. I mean, I've been to a chiropractor most of my life.
Yeah.
And I've had like different things, but the popping in my neck was not there before the car wreck.
Dang, okay. How's the arm feeling right now?
It's good.
Okay.
My shoulders and neck feel like they need to pop and everything, but it's fine. It's not numb.
Okay.
It'll come back too. It doesn't stay gone the whole day or anything.
Okay. How's movements?
I mean, I can move. It's just I can feel it needs. I pop my back a lot, and I have my husband step on my back. He steps on it and pops my shoulders and stuff.
Dang. Okay.
So.
Well, I gotcha. Let me have you lay face down on the table. Yeah, honestly not bad. Tiny bit shorter on the left, but yeah, not bad at all. Ooh, I feel it in my neck though. Get quite a bit of rotation right here. Start right up top here. There we go.
I've been trying not to do that all morning.
And then you can relax your arms. this in here though.
I've tried to. I know it's bad.
Go face down again for me.
I've been doing painting in my house.
Mm-hmm.
And my arm's going numb while I'm doing that
Of course it is.
Oh, yeah. I felt that one.
Flip onto your back.
Oh, shit. Oh my god. Yep.
What did you feel?
All in my neck.
Did you?
Yeah, I'm probably gonna be a little taller. Yeah, that felt good. That's what I needed.
Heck yeah.
Sit up.
Yeah. So I'm gonna use the massage gun and we're gonna do that wide strap one more time.
Yeah, that was mostly in my neck,
Was it? Okay.
which is normally my problem area.
Yeah. Yeah, for you, I know it's gonna be a lot in the neck. I just want to see, like with the next one, if you feel it.
Down in my hips.
Yeah.
So my husband picks on me a lot, and one time he actually like picked me up by my hip, and I just relaxed, but it popped my hips when he did that, and that's how I knew I had to come and get you to do that. Well, that shoulder feels like it could pop some more too,
Which one?
like down in here,
Down in there.
right in there.
Okay. Right into here.
But normally when it goes numb, it starts in my wrist and it'll travel up the arm a lot of times. And I pop my elbow a lot. I've been trying not to.
Oh, really?
I don't think that helps. Like when I do it, I'll do like that and it'll pop my elbow.
Shouldn't, honestly, that shouldn't be anything causing it, no.
Yeah, kind of drive him crazy, but I'm always like, pop it.
Face that way. Bring your hands on top of mine. Yeah, baby, like, yeah, just like that. Good. All right, trust fall.
Okay.
Fall back. I got you. Squeeze your elbows together. Tighter. Good. There it was. You can relax your arms. Yeah, I felt that one in there.
I plan on getting a massage also. That's what I do. I wait till my arms go into sleep, then I seek help.
Really?
Yeah, it's terrible. I'm gonna do better.
And then I'll have you sit right here facing that way.
But I only started going numb last year. The numbness
That,
last year.
well, like you said, with kind of home improvement and then with
Last
the-
year
with
we
the
were
nail
doing
tech.
tree work. This
Okay.
year we're doing home remodel.
Jeez. Gotta take it easy on yourself.
We're almost done.
Come back.
We're in the painting stage. Until my husband doctor said so. Oh my God. No. Okay.
Thank you.
That was good. That was upper back.
Heck yeah.
I've been told the women in my family tend to hunch over with age too, so I feel like I am.
Gotcha. Well, hopefully with this, it keeps you
Oh yeah.
not going forward, that's for sure.
Especially leaning over the desk all day.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you don't need that.
Okay. I felt good.
And rest. Actually, I'll have you lay on your side and then face this way. Yep. And then flip. Just on one side. Go on your back again. Just check the legs here too.
Yeah, that feels good.
Good.
Feel really good.
Upper.
Feels like airy.
Okay.
In a good way.
Okay, well, I know for you with the pressure and then obviously like this and even like you were saying with the hips.
Yeah. I can normally feel it. What's wrong? Feels good though.
Good. Take it easy on your body. And relax. I know it's hard to at times, but
But we're almost done. I'll be back there.
perfect.